Hello, everyone. I am Hanan Rajabbasha, a graduate student in Project and Construction Management at Istanbul Technical University, and currently conducting my thesis, which is related to the topic I'm presenting today. I will be sharing a systematic review I conducted using Scopus database, focusing on research from the last 5 years on blockchain and smart contract, specifically in construction contract management. I will start with a brief introduction to the topic, followed by an outline of research objectives, and then I will walk you through the methodology, the systematic review methodology, including the review process and the meta classification framework I adopted. And then we will discuss the analysis and findings along with the recommendations and an outlook based on my observations from this review. So as Professor Wilson Liu mentioned, despite improvements in construction contract management, major challenges remain, including inefficiencies, lack of accountability, and payment delays. Also, issues such as limited interoperability across various technologies and power imbalances also hinder progress, causing disputes and slowing the adoption of the new processes. So blockchain and smart contract could offer solutions to the challenges mentioned, supporting greater adoption through the standardized protocols and acting as a third trusted party for financial transactions. And I think most of you or all of you know that this technology removes intermediaries, reduces administrative costs, and eliminates payment delays. It also provides tamper-proof records that improve transparency, accelerate dispute resolution, and help balance power among stakeholders in construction. So the purpose of this research is to review the blockchain and smart contract in construction contract management, analyzing its benefits, challenges, and the current developments. It also aims to highlight the potential of blockchain in addressing the issues mentioned, identifies the gaps, and also provide a roadmap for future research. For the methodology, I conducted a systematic review. Following the process shown in the flow diagram, I used Scopus database, starting with keywords, blockchain, and smart contract. I got around 16,000 records. And after adding construction industry or construction sector or construction management terms, I only have 196 publications. Then to narrow the search, I had inclusion and exclusion criteria, selecting engineering subject area and English language, and excluding conference paper, conference review, document types, having 87 publications. And after the abstract reviewing, I selected only 24 articles for the meta-analysis to avoid redundancy with the articles. So after selecting the 24 publications, I applied this meta classification framework which is developed by Elter et al. 2016 to categorize contributions in blockchain and smart contract within construction. And also the framework, as you can see here, evaluates factors including research focus, level of analysis, sector, sources of information, research outputs, and also it categorizes the authorship. So here, according to the analysis, this table shows publication distribution by journal and year. Automation in construction leads in contribution, and also the highest numbers of publication were in 2020, 2021, and 2023. I think the slight variation in yearly publications likely reflects a maturing field with recent studies focusing on specialized topics, maybe. And here, this is the keyword analysis. It shows that blockchain and smart contract appear in all articles, with terms like construction industry and BIM also frequently used. And also, as you can see, most keywords are closely related to contract management and payment, such as project bank account, construction contracts, and also disputes, and the security of payments. And here is a table shows the citation analysis for articles with over than 150 citations, highlighting the importance of blockchain and smart contract in this field. And also the most cited articles focus on blockchain applications, integration, and construction automation, showing main areas of innovation in the field. And here, according to the literature, there are several research areas, and we have identified 5 key research areas. The largest category, contract management and payment automation, with 10 articles. It explores the role of blockchain in automating payment and addressing the power imbalances. Application and feasibility of blockchain has 6 articles. This category, it focuses on examining the use cases of blockchain in construction. Although dispute resolution appears second in the graph, it due to its critical industry relevance. It has 4 articles, which also focusing on the role of mitigating disputes. And the last 2 categories, security and information management. These articles focusing on secure data exchange and interdisciplinary implementations category. It has it examines broader impacts, including project scheduling and stakeholder conflicts. Here, this graph shows the cumulative rise of sources of information over the years. As you can see, it indicates a shift towards more in-depth reviews and system analysis compared to case studies. It have increased significantly. It suggests a need for more case studies to complement these insights. And also here, as shown in the figure of research output, they have steadily increased over the years. General insights grew annually, and prototype model studies also saw a significant rise in 2023. But throughout, there have been no model in use articles. And this graph shows the geographical distribution of applications. Australia leads with 10 contributions, followed by UK with 8, and United States with 5, and also several other countries. They have smaller contributions, such as Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Turkey. So this slide highlights the main barriers and recommendations according to the meta-analysis publications. Major barriers include regulatory issues, high cost, security, and the lack of standardization, and the need for more social investigation and more practical prototypes also are required. Recommended actions include creating frameworks, creating regulatory frameworks, integrating with tools, with other tools, such as Internet of Things, and also developing and testing practical prototypes, considering the social and financial aspects to assess the capability of blockchain-based smart contracts. Also, I have seen that in these articles, especially the articles related to smart contracts, Internet of Things are not that mentioned in these articles, or they didn't integrate it to the articles, to the frameworks in the articles. From my observation, blockchain has the potential to be a transformative tool in construction. I think most of you agree with that point. But achieving this requires addressing the critical barriers we mentioned, especially the regulatory issue. Also, it must be integrated with complementary technologies and tools beyond the BEAM. Other management tools, maybe Primavera, or we don't know, maybe other management tools. And also assessing the impact of blockchain on stakeholder dynamics also is essential to establish a solid foundation for future in the industry. Thank you for listening.